This room has some 3.5 kg of gold in the paintings.
दीपिका पादुकोण ने ये वाला हाथी ये यही है जिसपे वो रिस्टोर करती है.
Probably the 5-star temple, if that can be a term we can use for temples at all. Hi guys, so we are taking a tour of the Mandava Havelis here, and as you can see they are absolutely gorgeous Havelis and frescoes. ये जो frescoes हैं वो essentially बनाए गए थे by the traders of the 17th and the 18th century who were trading from the Silk Route all the way to the Gujarat port. I'm going to be questioning our guide for today for some basic facts and history about this region.
शेखावटी है वो राजस्थान के नॉर्थ ईस्ट हिस्से में पड़ता है और शेखावटी में 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट आते हैं, सीकर, चूरू और झुंझुनू. 15th सेंचुरी में यहाँ जयपुर फैमिली से यहाँ एक राजा आए थे जिनका नाम था राव शेखा जी. तो उन्हीं के नाम पे ये एरिया जाना जाता है शेखावाटी. तो ये ट्रेडर्स हवेलीज इनके बारे में जाना जाता है. पेंटिंग्स आपको 2 तरह की पेंटिंग देखने को मिलेगी, फ्रेस्कोस और कैनवास. फ्रेस्कोस पेंटिंग मोस्टली यहाँ की बहुत फेमस हैं, जो कि प्लास्टर जो वेट प्लास्टर होता था उसके अंदर कलर्स मिला के और फिर बनाते थे. पेंटिंग
तो ये वेट प्लास्टर मतलब ये फ्रेस्को है
जी, ये फ्रेस्कोस है मैडम. ये जो प्लास्टर आपको दिख रहा है ये पेंटिंग ऊपर नहीं बनी हुई है, ये प्लास्टर के अंदर ही कलर मिक्स करके उस पर ऑयल पेंट लगा हुआ है.
तो ये क्या है, ये किन किन के, ये कौन है, ये कृष्ण भगवान है? ये
जी मैडम, आप पेंटिंग्स के बारे में आपको बता देता हूँ. मोस्टली आपको यहाँ पे 4 तरह की पेंटिंग मिलेगी. जो सबसे पहली पेंटिंग है उनमें आपको देवी और देवता मिलेंगे, क्योंकि जितनी भी फैमिली यहाँ रहती थी सब हिंदू फैमिलीज थी. उसके बाद जो दूसरी तरह की पेंटिंग है उसमें आपको मिलेंगे एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स. तीसरी जो पेंटिंग है उसमें मिलेगी आपको फ्लोरल डिजाइन. और चौथी जो पेंटिंग है उसको मिलेंगे आपको मॉडर्न चीज़ें, जिसमें आपको ट्रेन मिल जाएगी, बाइसिकल मिल जाएगी, एरोप्लेन मिलेगी. ये जो चीज़ें हैं, क्योंकि ये लोग बड़े शहरों में जाते थे और जो चीज़ें उन्होंने वहाँ देखी यहाँ के लोगों को बताना चाहता है कि हमारे पास ये है, हमने ये देखी है, और वो उन्होंने आर्टिस्ट को आके बताई और आर्टिस्ट ने यहाँ पे ये पेंटिंग्स बनाती है.
Once a prominent region of Rajasthan, today Khavati stay rather unexplored by an Indian traveller. And because it is lesser explored and rather untouched, a lot of elements of the old world charm still exist here, which make it an absolute delight to experience this region.
So guys, now we are going to be entering the Murmuria Haveli in Mandava, which is famous for its modern frescoes. So let's see what it is about. वो ट्रेन है जो न्यूज़पेपर में आई थी. पहिए भी देखिए कितने खूबसूरती से बनाए हैं.
Shekhawati region is also called an open art gallery for this reason, because every single Haveli is beautifully decorated with murals and the frescoes.
This room has some 3.5 kg of gold in the paintings. And it has a lot of deities.
Also, I was very surprised to know that this region is very popular amongst the Indian film fraternity for a lot of shootings that have happened here.
Hey guys, I'm standing in front of a Haveli, and right here apparently there have been a lot of shootings of Indian movies which have happened, although I really don't see any familiarity. But हाँ जी, ओम सिंह जी बताइए क्या मूवी की शूटिंग हुई है?
यहाँ पे बहुत सी मूवीज की शूटिंग हो रही है इस हवेली में. और ये जो आप इधर देख पाएंगे हाथी है तो दिखाया गया दिल्ली में उन्होंने रिस्टोर करते।
किसने?
उस मूवी में।
किस मूवी में?
लव आजकल में।
लव आजकल में
दीपिका पादुकोण ने ये वाला हाथी ये यही है जिसपे वो रिस्टोर करती है।
ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग।
पीके मूवी में जो ठुर्की छोकरो सॉन्ग है
हाँ।
वो भी यही फिल्माया गया है। और आप इस तरफ अगर ध्यान से देखेंगे तो यही वो एरिया है जहाँ अंदर सारा गाना है वो फिल्माया गया था।
Hey guys, so this was our little walking tour around the Mandava frescoes, and we have only managed to see a very few Havelis because a lot of them were shut considering the COVID-19 situation, and also a lot of them we could not see because we are really short on time, as we have to now go back to Vivana, our property, and then check out and leave for the next destination. We are driving from Mandava to Churu, and these trees are just so amazing.
I particularly wanted to share with you guys how beautiful and amazing these roads were in that area. It was such a dream to drive in that area.
Hey guys, so we're quickly going to grab a bite in this property where we are staying for tonight, and also then we're going to go for our walk here around the heritage Havelis, like you see one right there. So there are quite a few here as well, like in Mandava. So yes, that's what we're going to do. Look at that. ये कितने कमरे होंगे? ये गोदाम है। ये गोदाम है?
20 से लेके 50 तक कमरे होते हैं।
So we were just told by our guide here that in the entire Shekhawati region, there are more than 2,000 Havelis, and almost 95% of them are shut and not being taken care of, which I think is so sad because these Havelis are really pretty. Hey guys, so I'm told by my guide that this particular part is influenced by Venice, and again there are a lot of paintings on the walls of these two buildings, and the pillars are all influenced by Venice. So I do wish that the bylanes were kept a little cleaner, because they're not clean. There is open drain, and not the cleanest open drain. So yeah, walking here is a little not the most pleasant experience, let me put it like that. So that's what I had to say as well to you guys. But definitely the Havelis are absolutely gorgeous. So now we are going to get inside a Jain temple in this area, which was built in the 1920s, and it has some imported chandelier and a beautiful interior. And I'm very excited to see it because I've seen the picture and it looks absolutely beautiful. And look at this intricate floral design at the entrance. It's really pretty. So let's have a look inside now. So I am in one of the most beautiful temples that I've ever visited. The interiors in this temple are not just Indian interiors. They've been imported from Europe, like the chandelier is imported from Venice, like these tiles also back in 1920s were imported, and it's just such a beautiful temple. I do not have words to tell you how pretty it is. So now we are going back to the property and we have some handicrafts which we're going to see being made in the property itself. So yeah, I'm excited for that also. But before that, I'll show you the ceiling of the temple main dome. I love it here. Oh God, it's so beautiful. So yeah, let's go back to the property for the handicraft now.
Hey guys, so with this I hope you enjoyed my little trip to the Shekhawati region. We explored the towns of Mandava and Churu, and in the next vlog I'm going to show you the property that we stayed in Churu as well as the handicraft that we saw being made in the property. So do stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It will mean so much to me, and see you soon.